The packaging, I think, is the hugest step. I got the stickers initially, and we were slapping the stickers on the packages that we were buying from Amazon. Look how far we've come, even from only 6 months ago. I mean, the packaging lab really is who helped us.
Level up. I have always been making my own homemade ranches. It's just kind of been, I think my buddy had reached out to me and said, "Hey, your ranch is amazing. Can this restaurant use your recipe?" I was 2 seconds away from sending them a text message with my proprietary blend that I've been working on for so long. Bianca came around the corner and was like, "Whoa, do not send that. Let's run with this." I started formulating the signature blend, tons of trial and error. There was a couple nights where we sat at this very kitchen table and I said, "Okay, let's try a few of these. They may or may not be good."
Getting all of the different packaging was so easy. The availability to have a graphic designer go through our packaging with us, that human element to things, I think
Yep.
is super important. I can only describe my concept so much to artificial intelligence, but actually speaking to a human really is so much more helpful.
Yeah.
So many people in this world have dreams. We have had so many people come to us and say, "I can't believe you went 6 months ago from idea, from concept to creation and already selling." People say, "Oh, I wish I could do that with hot sauce," whatever it is. Just do it. Just be available at night. If you're working a day job, the tired mornings is worth the steps taken to create your own thing that you're passionate about.
That's been the biggest motivation, is just to do something for ourselves. I'm Jack from Hijack Ranch, senior sauce boss and founder, and I am a customer of the Packaging Lab.